Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem. Duplicate your sequence and solo the noisy track so you won't damage your original. Once done, tag the clip as dialogue in essential sound. This unlocks adaptive controls optimized for voice. Then add the denoise effect and dial it to about 30 to 50%. That removes consistent hiss or hum without flattening the voice. Make small adjustments while playing the clip so you hear real-time change, because context matters more than numbers alone. Next, refine what denoise left behind by shaping the spectrum. Use parametric EQ to notch or cut bass rumble around 100 to 400 Hz and reduce harshness in the 4 to 8 kHz band. Sweep to find exact treble spots. Once EQ'd, add dynamics for light compression so your voice stays present after reductions. If the background varies, switch to adaptive noise reduction and let Premiere learn changes over time. Make sure to preview full sections for consistent results. Finish by matching overall levels and auditioning the cleaned audio against the original. Normalize or use the loudness radar to target conversational levels like -16 LUFS. Then render a short preview and do an A versus B comparison to confirm clarity. If you hear warbling or metallic artifacts, reduce the denoise or adaptive noise amount and revisit the EQ. Often lowering reduction by 10 to 20% resolves artifacts while keeping noise down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.